felt transmission slip there. Probably a 9.0, I don't know. But a little bit of trans slip. Whew, let's see. All right, what I felt was, I felt that at the end, what I felt was that the car got a little bit stuck in the gear. But again, we're gonna send that log to, yep, I don't know if we lost something, but we shall see. Don't know. If we blew the trans on the 8-second pass, that'd be fantastic. Because I felt like the car was moving, grooving, and all of a sudden it just didn't, it didn't like whatever was happening. So, but let's cool it off. We'll send the log over to Rob, and let's see what happens. T400 time, no, I'm just kidding. We'll say 10 already for a little bit. Yep, it says C manual. So we might have, yeah, I think we lost the trans, sadly. Usually the C manual is, I think we lost the trans, guys. Because I heard a little clunk and a thunk, and we blew the house down. So. The 10-speed didn't like it.
It was so close, man.
What was it?
It was right there, right there.
What was it? Oh, shoot! We got it! Oh! Yo! We got it! We got it! Oh my gosh, we got it, y'all. 8 seconds for the Mamba, y'all.
First full pass.
Woo!
First full pass for the day,
Yo.
Then what, a 60-foot pass, and then...
Thank you, Glenn. I appreciate you. Yes, yo. Woo! She sang, dude. Oh, $8.99 at 152. 8-second car, guys.
I see that.
Yeah, here, check it out. But I'll be real with you. At the end, the trans started to like, at the end of the track, it was like click, click, and I got a wrench light. So it might. At least we got the 8. At least we got the 8. We got the 8.
We only needed that pass.
That's all I needed, dude. 8 seconds. Here we go. Mamba is officially. Hey, we call it the Black Mamba. Kobe Bryant wears 8. We had to run an 8. So guys, this is it. Full disclosure, we ran the 8, and you'll see in the camera, I saw a wrench light come on, so I don't know. I had to stay in it though, but we'll let it calm down and see what happens.
Nice mile an hour.
Yep.
Great ET.
Woo!
60.
Feels good, man. Feels good. Feels great. We're pretty much done. All right, so good news. Rob said the trans just kind of got hot and went into safe mode, so nothing is, we're gonna let it cool off. I got a new tune. And we'll load it up and see what happens and try to just back it up. All right, guys, we let the trans cool off a little bit. We have the new tune in there. I'm gonna just do a little drive around the parking lot. If I still get a wrench light or something doesn't feel right, I'm just gonna like call it. But if it feels okay, we'll do one more pass. Because we gotta do one more pass, because why not? So we don't have the wrench light, but I'll show you what's happening. If you're wondering, we have the tire light because we have red radals on. We have the airbag light because there's no airbag, and we have the traction control button because I took off the traction control advanced track plug. What we're looking to do is see how the car shifts up until 6th gear. It looks like from 4th to 5th, the car isn't happy. So, you know, I'll live to fight another day. You know what I'm trying to say? I don't know if it's worth it to me to just blow the trans up for like an 880 or 870. I think I can easily get the 10 or 80 clutches redone and then get a cage and get a, you know, some other work done. So, you know, again, it's not worth it to me. I know the car is an 8-second car, but I want to just double check. And I need my seatbelt on. I'm just driving around Atco right now, so we shall see. We shall see. So see, let me do a normal drive here and see how the car feels. Because now remember, this is the same. Yep, I don't think we have. Yeah, we don't have nothing here. Yeah. So I'm driving normally. See that? Yeah, I don't think we. Yep. Trans is not happy. We're gonna call it. We're gonna call it. The 1080, the clutches seem to be slipping, so before we just completely destroy them, I can still drive Mamba around town, not running 8s, but the car, but I just didn't like the feel. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna just call it here. We got our 8s.
Yes.
I mean, I can go try to get an 8, like an 890, 880, because Rob did send me a new tune, but I'm happy with where it is. And what we'll do is, remember guys, we're not even caged yet, so I want to get a cage, want to get a parachute. We're over 150 mile an hour. So let's just enjoy our 8-second Mamba. It's still a daily, it's still good, but we're gonna go back and get the clutches upgraded again, and then we'll do a cage and shoot, and we'll come back to do consistent.
Ready to party though.
Time to party. Yeah, like I was just telling some people here, I'm just gonna live to fight another day. I feel like the clutches just need to be like re-upgraded. The trans is still good. It's before we completely blow it. Like obviously I'm driving the car. I like the fact that I can drive the car and it's still happy. So let's just do that. Let's be happy, and you know, let's get out of here with our win, with our 8-second pass. Woo! So yeah, we're gonna get out of here with our W, and we're gonna go celebrate, have a few beers with my buddy Dorian, and really appreciate again everybody's support and all the people who, even the haters, who you know, everyone who supported, liked, and subscribed, and here we are, guys. Mamba's an 8-second car. I think it is a little bit of poetic, you know, it's poetic that the Mamba is the black Mamba, you know, affectionately after my favorite basketball player who sadly passed away this year, who wore number 8 in Kobe Bryant. So Mamba can officially wear the 8. So we're super excited about that. And, but yeah, we got it, man. We got it. And yes, this is it. This is the last time you'll see Mamba drag race for a while, because obviously we want to get the trans upgraded, but I have to get a cage. I understand the cage is going to come. We need a parachute. We want to do like Texas 2K, do events, you know, compete. We go to Texas where the big boys play, and you know, take Mamba out there, because you know, you see that trans. Yeah, it's holding right now. The gears are not the happiest, so we're gonna get it fixed. But anyways, I'm rambling a little bit. I'm happy. I'm excited. Let's celebrate. Mamba out. This time was coming. We really, really, really worked hard to get this car to where it needed to be. But actually, if you don't know, this is what was going on. At the end of the pass, there was some clutch slip. The 1080, I felt the when I was looking at the dash, I think it was 4th to 5th kind of stuck and stayed there, and then it went back down. And at the end of the run, I saw that the trans wasn't shifting good. And what happened was, talking to a lot of people in the industry, in the game, that it could have had an even deeper 8 and a better mile an hour, but again, it kind of got stuck on it. So what we're gonna do now, we're not gonna play games. If you guys don't know, I'll tell you, this transmission is going to go to Texas. Now, what I mean by that, we're going to go to Casper's today. We are going to get the trans out and head it and send it to Midnight Performance. If you don't know Midnight Performance, they just are about to run 7s. They just did an 8.0 with their turbo 10-speed. Beautiful car, beautiful setup. And hit up Manuel and I said, listen, bro, I don't know what you're doing over there, but I need that sauce for the 1080 and the Mamba. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna head to Casper's, take out the trans, ship it down to Texas. Their turnaround time should be about, I think 3 days or something like that. But, you know, shipping, you know, who knows what they'll find. We're not going to play games. It's going to be a little bit pricey. It's going to be a little bit pricey, but that's okay. You got to pay to play. But we're going to get the best. So anyways, let's get a cold start on our 8-second Mamba. Head over to Casper's and let's pull this trans. And just to reiterate, what was happening was I could have sent it again, but I didn't want a catastrophic. Just to reiterate what was happening, I could have sent it again. I didn't want a catastrophic failure. I believe some of the clutches are just kind of giving way after we've done about 40 runs since the car has been boosted by VMP. Now what we want to do is we need to continue to get better, but get safer. So my plan is get the trans done, then we're going to probably do some something special. Keep trying to tease it, but I'm going to blow it. But we do want to do cage and shoot so we can start competing in actual events and being safer than sorry. But anyways, let's head over to Casper's. Let's get this 10-speed out. Let's beef it up, send it to Texas. You know, now my car is being worked out by a Texas shop. It's gonna, I feel like it'll be even faster. Anyways, let's get a cold start for you and let's head over to Casper's. All right, so I just came here. I was talking to Mason. Yo, half this 8 is, I was gonna say the Mamba Master Mechanic, but I was like, Mason, the Mamba Master Mechanic. Look at us, we both drink our Dunkin'.
Probably should think too, right?
Yo, listen. No, this guy loves sugar, but he works it off because, you know, it stays on me because I edit. But I will say one thing. Mason's gonna drop the trans out. We're gonna send it to midnight. But he thinks it could be something simple. We're just gonna build it just because. Yeah. Might as well send it.
Probably.
This guy's been with the Mamba 11s, 10s, 9s, and now we're in the 8s, dude. So
850s.
Yeah, the 850s is next, dude. So we're gonna drop it. I said no rush. He said I'll have it out tonight. So I come to Casper's Corners, check him out. Look up Mason. He does never do anything. He's always free. So no, I appreciate it. Thank you. And he put that pulley in for us really quickly. And we're really excited to go forward and see what happens next. All right, so we are back home and I have like no Mustangs left, guys. My Soldier, the College Mamba is here, but just so you guys know, the 350 is over at Gateway waiting for the winner to get car next week, and the New Edge is at Casper waiting for the winner to get the car. Hulk to the body shop. Mamba's at Casper's. Raptor's getting wrapped. Our Soldier, the College Mamba's here. I don't know. I need something, man. I need something to run fast. Just to also, guys, let you know to talk about the time slip a little bit more. As you can see by the time slip, the car, I think Mamba could have done like an 880. Maybe a high 8.7, but it died at the end because the slips in the clutches. So that's why we sent it out. That's why you didn't see any more passes. Just want to say thank you so much, everyone who always supports. You know, this is a growing learning opportunity, and we'll see what Midnight does to that 10 or 80. Send it on back, and we got some more plans because you know it never ends. Peace.